Are you looking for a business that is recession-proof? Are you looking for a side hustle that is going to pay you in a good economy and or a bad economy? Are you looking to make money for yourself and others? Well, I want to educate you on an opportunity to become an enrolled agent so you will never ever have to worry about how you are going to make money again. And when you decide to walk that journey, I also have a program I want to share with you so that you can continue to get paid. You can call your own shots. You never have to worry about somebody saying, hello, you're getting your pink slip today, because you are now going to be in control of you and your money. So what is an enrolled agent? Well, I am here to tell you Carla Dennis is an enrolled agent, and she is loud and proud about it. An enrolled agent is a licensed tax professional that is licensed through the U.S. Treasury Department. That means that you will hold a federal tax license. That means that you will be licensed in all 50 states. Wait, think about that for a second. All 50 states. Now that we can be entrepreneurs without borders, now that we can work across states, being an enrolled agent will allow you to pick up clients in all 50 states. Unlike attorneys, unlike CPAs that are licensed only in their state, you are going to be licensed in all 50 states, and you are going to have a massive pool of potential clients and a massive pool of opportunity. How do you become an enrolled agent, right? It is easier than you think. In order to become an enrolled agent, you do not need a college degree. You're like, what, Carla? What are you talking about? You do not need a college degree. Wait for it. Listen to what I'm getting ready to tell you. In order to become an enrolled agent, number one, you have to get a preparer tax identification number. You get that number by applying through the IRS for that number. You have to have filed an income tax return. The second thing you need to do is you need to sit for the C exam. The C exam is a special enrolled agent examination. It's a 3-part exam that covers all taxation, individual, businesses, and representation and procedures. Is it an easy exam to pass? Yes, if you study. And I know you're going to study, because in order to get the enrolled agent license, you have to pass that exam. And when you do, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to fill out your application for enrollment. Form 23 with the IRS, going to be one of your proudest moments ever to submit that application and pay that $45 application fee, $45 well spent to apply to become an EA. And when you apply to become an EA, yes, IRS is going to do a background investigation. They're going to want to make sure you are in compliance. They're going to want to make sure you have your taxes paid, or that you are at least on a payment plan for any taxes owed. Once you fill out Form 23, you will get your certificate of enrollment, and you will get your enrollment number. And one of the most important things is you have to rise to the highest level of integrity. Why do I say that? Because as an enrolled agent, you're licensed in all 50 states. You do not want to mess up a federal license, because you can't go from California to Florida to New York and reapply. It is a federal license, and to much is given, much is required. You are now going to be licensed through the Department of Treasury, through the Department of Justice in all 50 states. You are going to be considered a trusted advisor. You're going to hold a federal license that is going to require a background check, where they're going to fingerprint you to make sure that you are indeed a good person that can hold that level of responsibility. And when you become an enrolled agent, you have a license to feed yourself for the rest of your life. All you will need to do is take your continuing education classes every single year, because tax laws are always changing and you want to stay up on the latest tax laws. I invite you to join me in my program, Tax Pro Grow, where I am going to accelerate your ability to become an enrolled agent, accelerate your ability to make money, because I teach you all the things that I learned over the last 25 years, all of my lessons learned, all of my strategies, all of my tricks. I literally break it down for you so that you can get a shortcut version, the Cliff Notes of what you need to do to become an enrolled agent. And remember, an enrolled agent is licensed in all 50 states as a tax preparer. To become an enrolled agent, you need to pass the C exam, obtain your PI-10, PTIN, Preparer Tax Identification Number. You need to make sure you pass the exam, fill out your Form 23, stay at the highest level of ethics, and then you will be embarking upon a journey to make an endless amount of money. And as you know, when you know better, you have to do better. You are now going to need to really think hard about your next side hustle, because the money is limitless. It's all about you. And I can't wait for you to join me on this road to being an enrolled agent. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I also want to introduce you to a program that I have called Tax Pro Grow. Why? Because you may be looking for a side hustle, you may be looking for a business to run, you may be looking for some extra cash, or you just might be concerned about this whole recession thing, or somebody giving you a pink slip. Well, Tax Pro Grow could potentially be your answer, because it's a business that you can do where no one is in charge but you. And here's the great thing about Tax Pro Grow. You don't need to have a tax license. You don't need to have tax knowledge. You don't need to have a degree. You don't need anything but a willingness to learn. And I break down all the steps through my system and process. I literally take my 25 years of experience, all the mistakes I made, all the lessons I've learned, and I packaged it up in a system and process that is foolproof, that you will be able to utilize and start making money. I literally guarantee it. I am going to invite you to join me on this journey of Tax Pro Grow, because I want you to start making an endless amount of money, and I want you to be in control of your destiny. If you are interested in starting now, I want you to click on the link. And when you do, you're gonna learn everything that you need to know. You're gonna learn how to offer the service. You're gonna learn how to sell a client. You're gonna learn how to do marketing. And here's the other great thing. You will even get leads, because we offer that too. People that are willing to pay you for the service that you're gonna easily be able to offer, because the value is going to be there. So if you need some extra cash, you wanna make an endless amount of money, or you just thinking, maybe you just wanna do something different, click on that link and join me for the Tax Pro Grow program. I guarantee you, you'll be thanking me for doing so.